becomes
the stone just flew away. Guys, you want to see off-road? Vale, pottige hoyi.
It's a sunny day. Clean and sunny day, guys.
ಜಿಂಗ ಲಕ 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 ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬರ್ರ 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 ಬರ್ರ.
Today I'm going to college, but before that I have some work in bank at Podali, and it's basically an education loan receipt which I have to collect and submit to college today. I think the bus is on the way. Yeah. See, this is why, this is what. The bus is on the way. People are standing because the bus is coming. Da-na-na-na, the government school of Malali. Man, that days. That assembly days. Who and all remember that assemblies in the ground? Someone in the back fells. And then the teachers will come and say some students to carry the person who fell, and then they are treated like a inside below the fan. Someone is waving the clothes on her face to get to give air. Becomes Ayyo Deva. I overwatch.
Congratulations, brother.
So I missed it, I think. In rainy season, the water will come till the road level. How beautiful is my country with greeneries. Greenery makes a vibe. It makes a vibe. Yesterday I just washed the vehicle. Today I feel happy to ride it. Daily Ganapati Konona Gencha Tojun.
ದೇವ್ರು ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡ್ತದ
Ancha Undo. So the thing is, here they have put that height limiter, and all the buses are standing here. Why? Because the bridge is in not a great condition to carry a huge vehicles. So it's a very dangerous thing. I'm getting afraid. I think they will change this bridge. Hope they will change this bridge as soon as possible. Oh. ಜಗವೇ ನೀನು ನಡು ರೋಡುಡು ದಾಯ್ ಇಂಚಮನ್ ಪೋರಿಯೇ
कुछ भी
Oh, ಮೊಸರು ಕುಡಿಕೆ preparation is already started. So the bank is not open yet. It's open, but if manager comes, I can call them and ask. Here I finished my work. I'm now going to Mangalore. Let's see the observations. So today is from Podali to Mangalore observation. Oh, what's this now? ಬಲ್ಲು ಉಂಡುಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಲಿಗೆ ದಾದ ಮಾತ ಆಪುಡ ರಿಕ್ಷಾಗೆ 2.75 m. Pickup will go. Pickup పోపుండు ఏస్ పోపుండు ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ದಾದ see the crack in, I think middle is little bit up compared to
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया
ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಂತ ಹೇಳುದು
ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಉಂಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇತ್ತು ಗಾಡಿ
ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆದ ಲೋನ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಅವನಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತರಕಾಗ್ತಾನೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಅವರ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್. ದ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಸಾರಿ that my team members are like this. They are all fully experienced drivers and ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಡು ಅಂತೂಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟಿ ವಿಡ್ ಬಾರ್ತುಲ್ಲೆ ಅವೇ ಮಾತ ಬರ್ಕೊಡು. And this is a shortcut road, connects that Polali road to Gurupra road. There are two. One is the main road. This is a cost saving and time saving. Thank you, bro. The road condition is not that good. It's too bad. Here the daily routine road comes. I feel like turn में किधर तेरा
बहुत तेज हो रहा है बहुत.
It's a blind spot area, by the way, and they are turning in that kind of situation where there is a blind spot areas. It's too dangerous, guys. It's too dangerous. Don't overtake in the sharp turns. Fully damaged. Ganapatim manasa smaran. Tandani tane tani. Oh, tender coconut is on the way, guys. Man, that vehicle, I'm afraid of that vehicle. If the rain comes, then the road is Kesar. I don't know what to say for Kesar. Dirt water. I don't know, man. See, all potholes are filled with the water which splashes the pants and all. After the rain goes, in the season of summer, then the road is full of dust, fully air pollution. See the weather, guys. See the view. The stone just flew. It is so dangerous that they should not go in that speed in this under construction road. Why? Because the stone right now, there were no people or no vehicle. The stone just flew away. He's laughing, man. Seriously. Right now he may think, after seeing the camera, if he notice the camera, then he may think, bro, I will come in video somewhere in the internet. Everyone are there right now somewhere in the internet. Why? Because everyone have Instagram account and post their photos. It should be stored, right? In some part of the world, some part of the internet. Everyone are there, guys. That's all. Now the people are making ready for Ashtami, for Krishna Janmashtami. I think this year there will be some grand type of celebration. Maybe, I don't know. So because the preparation are all started soon and very well. What? What was that? I think I can feel the sound of the chain. I think it's dry. Why today people are not wearing helmet? I don't know. Rajalakshmi from the driver. Is he there on the? No, not. If that was him, then I could have stopped him and talked to him. Yesterday I met him and it was not captured, by the way. Off-road. Guys, you want to see off-road? Then watch this.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
This is one of the greatest crossing ever. Yeah. Sorry, Royal Enfield Hunter. You are not meant for off-road, but I am riding you as a off-road master. Sorry, it's an off-road trail. Beside the traffic jam, we are going in off-road trail, guys. Right now I am going. Why? Because there is no any water, or else there will be water, and I don't want to make my bike ganda.
मस्त जोक मारा रे ये हंस रे हलकट हंस.
Oh, I reached. Let's go. We can do it. Pulsar 150. We can do it. Pulsar 150. Yes. This is what we can do. Whew. That was nice. The accident happened. I think it is captured in the camera.
Oh my God! Wow!
Man, that was bad. I don't blame both also. Why? Because I don't blame both of them because see, the truck driver can't do anything. If you sit in a truck and sit in his driver position and see, you will not able to see there is a bike in front of that. So he can't do anything. Don't stand so close to that truck. It's too dangerous. A truck or a bus. I know how it sees in a driver's position. I have sat many times. In both sides there are faults. So one thing is that in big trucks the driver can't see, and the biker also should be known that we should not stand like that in that position. And one more thing about the truck driver is that it's very bad. There will be a front side mirror. I will show the picture right here. See, these kind of mirror should be there because for this reason, to stop these kind of accidents. So this is very bad. And I am happy that I got content. That's a different scenario. अरे पट्टी हुई.
बे साले तभी मेरा माफ करना गुस्से में इधर उधर निकल जाता.
I think nothing happened. Maybe, I don't know, internally it may, like, the bolts or the screws may got damaged. I don't know about that, but while seeing from outside there was nothing damage. It's dangerous to ride that big vehicles also. See, we have disc brakes, we have ABS, that kind of things we have, But see, in that big vehicle, it all goes with the air brake systems. Okay, so the big vehicles are mainly air brake system. Here in Mangalore we say ekam and all. I don't know why that ekam word came. The main mobile baad mein kar lo, mobile baad.
शाबाश बेटा.
The management of air brake system is very very important. Okay, so why? Because it works like this. The pressure gauge should be up to the mark, then only the vehicle moves in some. Okay, but I don't know how this accident happened. Once I was in State Bank, the bus did not get the air brake. Clearly the brake failure happened and it hit another bus in front. So I don't know how it happened, because see, we have some vehicles, we too have in our business we too have that kind of big vehicles which runs air braking system. If air brake is not up to the mark, the tire will never moves. It's just a jam, and it will fill automatically when you go on the floor. It starts filling, emptying. When you come down the ghat roads, so that's why in the middle of the ghat roads, the many trucks will stand. Why? Because one thing is to cool up the engine and cool up the braking system. This is how the airbag system is, a basic knowledge of airbag system. Whoever don't knows, that's all guys, that's all.
ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಬಾಯ್.